po, next bout. Pakipray po na safe ang laban ni Sam. Thank you po, Sir Nenyo Mataro. Shoutout Golden Boy, Misitara, balo. Shoutout Jumar Kailan. Shoutout Crest Gibuela Damok Mamayutay. Good luck. Thank you po, Ma'am Lovely Heart. Thank you for watching Moscow Mayo City. Ay, tapoy tayo. Mahulugan. Sipong ba? Mahulog.
Hindi yan. Okay, yan.
Our next ball, ball 37, streaming under 17 period penalty.
Pray for us po.
Presenting our boxer in the red corner from usually Sam Batziger.
Ayun na po, kay Sam na po laban. Ayun na po guys. Walang kukurap po, walang kukurap.
From usually Christian Angelo Sapanza.
Hindi po gaano makikita yung sa side po, yung sa red. Pag may naku-corner. Shoutout Antipolo at thank you for watching. Ormo, good luck sa Canciller. Thank you po sa lahat na sumuporta kay Sam ngayon. Thank you po, Jumar Kailan. Thank you po sa lahat. Share the video po. Yun po, a few minutes po. Sisimula na po ang laban. Region 8 versus Region 6. Ayan na po, binibigyan na po ng instruction ng referee.
Galing mo na.
Shoutout Tabua, Tanawan Boxing Session, President Coach Jumong. Thank you Sir Pedel. Ano po, start the round 1. Region 8 po, Region 8. Sam Canciller po yung pangalan ng red.
Alan Flores, Jess number 1, Angelo Baggio, Region 5, Jess number 2, Ray Fidel, Region 9, Jess number 3, Jesus Bautista, from Region 4, Jess 4, Angela Confederata, Region 8, and Jess number 5, David Agrippo, Region 6. Our bosses, in the red corner, from Calabaga Video, Lawrence Kip.
Ring B po ito, Ring B.
Sige mo, minamaliit ka.
Di po makita yung sa side po kasi dito po kami sa gilid. End of round 1 na po tayo.
You let the last presence of the regional Sports Officer.
Yung nakarit po from Region 8, from Leyte Division.
Race this boxing competition.
Ring B po to, Sir James. Ito po, Region 8 po, ma'am. Nailinam, Pirante. Ring B po, Sir James. Start of second round.
Round 2.
Shoutout Janet Sulay, Joel Paye Ermac. to 46 po ito. Ay, buwa.
Sabi na hangin.
End of round 2.
Okay po, tapos na po yung round 2. Final round na po. Final round. Ring B po ito, Sir Renz.
I would like also to announce the presence of the Associate Superintendent of Masbate Province, Mr. Raimundo Antapas. Thank you for raising the boxing tournament.
Tiga.
And the first round,
Ring B po ito, Sir,
Ano lahat?
Sir Renz.
Tapos mo na lahat. Pati.
Hands up. Round 3. Final round.
Hindi pa po naglaro si Rico Labong. Round 3 na po, last round.
second round, round 2.
Hindi ko po alam kung may naglaro ng Region 11 na. Yan po, sinamaan po ng solid. Body for Sam Canciller. Aggressive po ang pambato ng Tanawan Leyte, Sam Canciller. Umatras na lang po yung blue corner. Pressure po ni Sam Canciller. Yan po. Magandang laban po. May nakita ng dalawang boxer ngayon. From Region 8 versus Region 6. Ayan na po. Body for some concealer. Nice upper. Ayan po, tinambahan po ng solid straight. Just 10 seconds po.
Gas mo na!
And the third round, guys.
Nice one!
Sana guys, manalo tayo ngayon. Mukhang kita-kita naman kung sinong panalo, guys. Thank you for watching Mac Mac. Thank you for watching Garel. Iliderte Ramos.
Number 27. Winner of points by unanimous decision. From the red corner.
Okay po, panalo tayo.
Region 8.
Okay po, panalo po tayo from Region 8 kontra sa Region 6. Congrats Sam Cancelier. Thank you po, thank you. Thank you for watching Sir Edwin Dilactor. Thank you po, thank you.